live in a fast-paced world with a lot of distractions around us. In an age where we have all the information we could ever want, it is still harder than ever to focus. Concentrating on a single task in this distracted world is like a superpower, allowing us to get stuff done and unlock our potential. Today, I will share 7 tips to help you improve your focus and maximize your productivity. Tip number 1. Avoid multitasking. To improve your focus, avoid multitasking when you're trying to get important tasks done. When you constantly switch from one thing to another, you force your brain to repeatedly focus and refocus. This uses up a lot of mental energy and leaves you feeling tired and unproductive. Instead, direct your focus on only one thing at a time. Set aside some time for each task you need to complete. You'll be surprised at how much more you can get done when you're not constantly interrupting your focus. Tip number 2 is to tolerate boredom and avoid distractions. In the age of social media, our minds have been trained to crave constant stimulation. We're so used to having something to look at or listen to that we can't stand the feeling of boredom anymore. But if you want to improve your focus, you need to be able to tolerate boredom. So turn off your notifications, put your phone away, and find a quiet place where you can focus on the task at hand. It might feel uncomfortable at first, but eventually you'll train your brain to become used to the feeling of boredom. Number 3, take breaks. Your brain is like a muscle. It needs to rest in order to function properly. So don't try to power through long stretches of work without taking any breaks. According to neuroscientist Andrew Huberman, we learn best and focus best in 90-minute cycles. One way to optimize your focus is to use the Pomodoro technique. This technique involves working for 25 minutes, followed by a 5-minute break. Repeat this cycle 4 times, then take a longer break. This will help you stay focused and productive for more extended periods of time without getting burnt out. Tip number 4 is to get some sleep. This one should be obvious. When you're well rested, you're naturally more focused and alert. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed because they can disrupt your sleep cycle and leave you feeling drowsy and unfocused the next day. Number 5, stay consistent. The more you practice focusing, the better you'll become at it. Block out some time each day to focus on your most important tasks, even if it's just for 30 minutes. Make it a habit. The more you do it, the easier it'll become to focus whenever you need to. Number 6, choose the right time. Not everybody is most productive at the same time of day. Some people are more productive in the morning, while others prefer the night. Figure out when it is that you're most alert and focused, and schedule your most important tasks for those times. For most people, this is around 10 a.m. to noon. Number 7, exercise and eat right. Studies have shown that just 20 minutes of exercise before working can greatly improve concentration on complex tasks. You want to also ensure that you stay hydrated and eat the right foods to give your brain the energy it needs to function properly. Eating the wrong foods can lead to brain fog or low energy levels when trying to focus. Remember, the ability to focus is a skill. You have to train your mind to focus for long periods of time. Doing this will allow you to increase your productivity and get a lot more done during the day.